We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. So here we are with TRKA stock having a full move here to retest key resistance levels. And TRKA stock was not the only stock experiencing volatility. The overall market in the SPY did as well. And our SPY bot at 8:45 a.m. sent out a bull indicator. And from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside. Full strength there on 42 vision, and call options went up 400% plus within an hour, guys. And as you see there popping up within the options chain, some options even went higher than that. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are with TRKA stock pushing back up towards the 20-cent area, rejecting off of it, but starting a staircase effect here. And we need to talk about what's going on with the inflow versus outflow and the bull and bear indicators. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run idea was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run of the day was from our Tesla bot. Our Tesla bot sent out a bull indicator at 8:50 a.m. And from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside. Full strength there on 42 vision, and call options went up 300% plus within an hour, guys. And as you see, they're popping up within the screen in the options chain. Some options even went higher than that. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with TRKA stock doing a full transition from red bars to bright green bars here on 42 vision. And if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with TRKA stock under a bull indicator since yesterday in the after hours at the 18-cent mark, and inflows above the midpoint, but they're red. So if there's going to be any strength here within these charts to reflect any further possibility to the upside, these inflows need to pick up, pull away from the midpoint, and switch from red to green. As you see here, the last time they went up and they were green under a bull indicator, it went from 19 cents to 23 cents in the same day in a matter of hours. Now, is it guaranteed to make the same exact move if it turns green and pulls away from the midpoint under this bull indicator on the 30-minute? No, but it would justify the possibility of further strength. And it is something I would not ignore here, and I would watch carefully going into next week, as now there's a bull indicator that canceled the bear indicator from earlier in the week, and now it's back up to those levels here, trying to fight and start the staircase effect to the upside. But these inflows, yes, they're above. We want to see them turn upwards and turn from red to green, and not just here on the 30-minute, but also here On the 15 minute, there's a bull indicator here at around 1850 mark, and inflows are back above and actually green. And if this can continue to pull upwards and pull the 30-minute up with it, it could possibly continue that strength into next week. And it is something I would not overlook here within the charts. Now, the 1 hour in the bigger picture, we go ahead and zoom out and can see here that a bull indicator has popped up here at the close for the first time since that last bear indicator at around 20 cents. Multiple rejections there at that resistance, pulled it downwards all the way down to 18-cent area, and now it's trying to bounce back up. But when we look at the inflow versus outflow, if we zoom in, we could see that the inflows are below the midpoint, meaning that outflows are dominating, and it is red, guys. We want to see inflows try to pick up, go towards the midpoint to continue reflecting that strength into the charts. That is something to not ignore here in the bigger picture of the 1 hour chart. Now let's go ahead and break down the key levels I would watch going into Monday, because it's critical and crucial here that the 1 hour is trying to pick up with a bull indicator, but the outflows are dominating. And on the 30 minute, there's a bull indicator and the inflows are dominating even though they're red. We want to see them turn green. That is critical and crucial. Now, the first support here, if these outflows go downwards and cross the midpoint to the downside, and it actually reflects and rolls over into the 15 minute, bringing it down with it, reflecting that weakness into the charts and possibly canceling out this bull indicator with a bear indicator, the first support is 18 cents, guys. Right now, we're currently sitting at 19 cents, hitting a high here of nearly 20 cents. 18 cents is the first support, and then below that comes the 15-cent area. And if that weakness starts to reflect into the chart significantly and this bull indicator gets canceled by a possible bear indicator and outflows cross over, that's the key areas that I'll watch to the downside. And we'll have to reassess and see what is going on at those levels and where it could find support, or if it could actually retest resistance, right? Now, to the upside, if this staircase effect can continue and this bull indicator stays strong here on the 30 minute and on the 15 minute, as it has a bull indicator here at the open as well, these inflows, we want to see them go higher. And same thing on the 30 minute, right? We want these inflows to switch from red to green, push up higher, away from the midpoint, and on the 1 hour, start to pull it up with it. Try to cross back over this midpoint. That will be crucial and critical. It has a bull indicator as well. And the first resistance would be the 20-cent area. And then above that, based off the history of the chart, comes back up towards the 23-cent area. Those are the key levels I'm watching to the upside and to the downside. I'm going to watch these bull and bear indicators very carefully, and the inflow versus outflow, as the 30 minute is red and it needs to start pulling up to justify any further strength, especially with this bull indicator here popping up and trying to find support at the 18-cent area. And this is the same area where things ran last time, right around 1860, 1850 area, and it hit a low here of 18 cents today, bounced back up and pushed away from that 1850 cent area all the way up to 20 cents. So that is something I would not ignore here within the volatility. But these inflows definitely need to start picking up, and I'm going to be watching the bull and bear indicators. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.